Having problems with your email signature images appearing distorted on Outlook webmail. It's a common issue. Many email clients, including older versions of Outlook, may not maintain the exact image size, causing oversized or distorted images in your email signature. Similar to this example, in this video, we are going to walk through the steps of fixing and automatically resizing email signature image on Outlook webmail using the Bybrand editor. To begin with, you will need to log into your Bybrand account. Once you're logged in, select the email signature with error in images. The editor offers a quick solution to this issue. It allows you to crop an image to the exact size required for your email signature, ensuring that your images comply with the size settings defined in the HTML. Now let's focus on the image that's resizing with error. Use the ruler tool to crop the image to the exact size defined in the HTML. Repeat the process on all the images and icons that are broken. Save the email signature after making the necessary changes. Now go back to Outlook and paste the email signature again. If you already have a signature added, create a new one with a new name. And that's it. You've just resolved the issue of your email signature image automatically resizing on Outlook webmail.